gonna go pick up his water. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna pick up, to be honest, but hope nobody gonna run up to me and grab the phone, huh? Right? But this is not the first time I've been to market and vlogged with the phone. I gotta just hold on tight. Why the one is so up? They look pretty. Oi! I'm not gonna record for long. Why can't I run left way? Yeah, all the old people are judging me and my outfit right now. I don't care. I'm just wearing shorts, guys. Right. If you guys want to see a market vlog, go watch my other vlog. I'm gonna put away my phone because too much people are watching me and I don't like it. Oh. Yeah. All right. Never mind, guys. I'll put on that. Yeah. Them full up already? Yep. Coconut water, guys. That's what I'm telling you to check out Kyle coconut water. Again, I apologize for the shaking. Man, Kyle just running down left way. Right? Who wants to see another market shopping vlog? That would be nice, though. Hello. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the second location. Unless Mega catch Kevin chop up some coconut. You good, Kyle? Alright.
Actually, it's all good.
Yeah, I'm not listening to me.
Just give me location so they know what to do.
Why you never tell me she wanted in the mouth?
Let's go to the coconut.
Oh, it's so good. Make sure you come and get your coconut.
Really?
Alright guys, so we are at the second location. We dropped off the things that we picked up, the plastic bottle and the coconut. We're at the third location. And as you saw before in the previous clip, guys, I will put it on my resume. I saved baby chicken. I saved chicks. I'm proud. Like, that's, wow, that's the highlight of my life. All right, I can't record going in because I'm gonna tell me so I can't record, but once I get in, I can record. This turns, oh, and it's $17,000. Guys, just remember, this is not a full grocery video. I will be coming back with another full grocery shopping video. We ain't getting paid by them. That red igloo over there looks so cute.
The fridge.
It's an igloo on the front.
There's a fridge.
That red mini fridge looks so good. Exactly, still right. But these are cool. We're just going around with Olivia now, so.
Oh, security camera.
Yeah.
You need one of those if you live in Jamaica.
True. Turn down the brightness of it. Whoa. Disgusting piece of man. She's not
I'm
neat.
looking at the LG though.
Yeah, okay. That's why her man is looking at you.
Don't worry, I'll cover your ass. No one knows it.
Oh man. How much is that rug? 4,000. 5,200 and actually that's not bad. Because I've seen more expensive rugs in America for that size. Oh, it's made in the USA. Me hate them. Look at something here. Don't worry to the people from America watching. 4th of July is coming up. Let me know how you all are spending your 4th. I used to go watch the fireworks with my uncles, or if I was in a relationship with my boyfriend and his family. Okay, SpongeBob. Remember when he put the donut? Was it the donut?
Teddy bears.
The teddy bear. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, she's thick. Kyle is about to have a heart attack. Heart attack. He's about to have a heart attack. Anyways, like I was saying, I used to go 4th of July. Mommy sent me a microwave. She bought me. Oh, these microwaves are so cute. These microwaves are so cute. This red one would look good with the little mini fridge.
Retro microwave, I like it. It's a vibe.
It is a vibe. So while Mommy was staying at the hotel for work, they didn't have microwaves at the hotel, and she was it stopped. She was staying there for a couple she was staying there for well over a couple weeks. Oh my god, I'm about to show Mommy this. So like I was saying before, huh? It's cheaper on Amazon because mommy bought one for the house in America and one for grandma, and it's dumb cheap. But me tell you soon. I was telling them a story. Hold on now. Anyways, so like I was saying, yeah, so she was in the hotel for like probably 13 weeks and they didn't have a microwave. So she went and bought like a mini microwave, and since she's done with it, she shipped it down to me, and it's really cute. It looks basically like, it looks very similar to this one, but it's like kind of smaller, but it's so cute. Anyways, we were talking about the I'm sorry, this is all over the place. We were talking about the kettle, and the kettle is mommy. Yeah, you go cut this. I'm tired. The mask had deprived me of oxygen. Yeah, the guys, some men down there were looking at it.
Do not do this. Corona is about it.
Guys, these bar stools, the prices aren't bad. I mean, it's almost $6,000, which is about $50 US. I mean, I guess when you go to places like Ross, then it would be cheaper. And Target, this is Target price. This is like an elevated version, a huge version of Target, but not in how it's set up. The image is very warehouse, but this is Pricemart, but it has a very warehouse look. But they have Pricemart, no, they have, huh?
You know how you have Costco?
Huh? Costco.
Goes after.
Yeah, it has a Costco look, but it has stuff that you'd see in Target, if you get what I'm saying. I really want a hammock. I love hammocks. I really want a hammock. I want a treadmill, but I can always go outside and run. How much feet? 47,000. 55,000 after taxes. Oh, they're leaving. This boy is childish. Yeah. But he's so childish.
I was looking at the stuff for the sound.
Okay. Because the tools inside are gonna care.
Of course. You don't want to do something now and have to rebuild it every other day.
Oh, that fan? But you know they have the ones that you can put your hand through, the loop ones. Like, just imagine this, but with nothing in the middle, and the air is coming out like vents. You can put your hand, it rotates. It's amazing. It's actually not that expensive, but I bet if they brought it to Jamaica, because importing it and whatnot, it would be very, and it's very, it has this look, you know, this, you know, yeah, it have that look, so it's like expensive. See, that's why I'm gonna buy a fan downtown, because $9,000 for a fan. Yeah, even though I heard Alaska fan make you feel like you're there at Alaska. They're that good. I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. Ooh, this is what I need. Remember how I told you guys Enfamil? Oh, there's no tax on baby food? Huh. Learn something new every day. But remember how I told y'all that Enfamil was about $3,000? No, sir. Mood. When I check my bank account. Alright, I'm done. That's not funny. I'll be right back. True. So for people in the comments that were asking me about like soy milk, I'm pretty sure nobody asked about soy milk specifically. You asked about oat milk. But if you come to Pricemart and you buy 12 quarts of the silk soy milk, it will be $4,023 after GCT, which is General Consumption Tax, which I believe that's what it stands for. I'm trying to find the almond milk and if they have oat milk for my vegans out there. Let's see, almond milk and oat milk. You see any almond milk? There's the almond milk. Almond milk, if you get 6 quarts, it's $2,448. If you get the silk one, oh, they're both silk. It's just $2,300, so $2,400. And I don't see any oat milk. So all I see is almond and soy and coconut milk. Let me go see how much a coconut milk is. The coconut milk is $2,022 for six unidades. This is Spanish. For 6 capsules, 6 quarts. Yeah. So if I see the oat milk anywhere, I will definitely let you all know. All right, I'll be right back again. Oh, by the way, we saw Arizona for $2,183 for 24 cases. Not 24 cases, 24 cans. And at Devon House, at Helsha, and in some of the corner stores, they're selling it for $300, $400 plus dollars, give or take. So they're making well over $9,000 back on $2,183, which Olivia calculated to be $99 each. Just think of that. All right, I have to find them because they ditched me. There they are. I'm gonna turn you down. I have plenty of cereal. We're just gonna walk. Excuse me. We're just gonna walk right through this aisle because mommy sent down some cereal for grandma and I took some. How you look, so?
Does have to be an adult.
You want to buy something?
Yeah, but I can't take my responsibilities.
Alright guys, so here's another thing. 900 and... Oh, these are milk cookies. I think I did the Milo tea. Sorry. I'm gonna come back and compare the price from the last one. But since I'm here, the Milo chocolate chip cookies are, which I've never tried before, are $907 for... wash my hand before I come in here. I'm gonna hand sanitize my hand before I come in here. 2 of them. So don't say anything. And yeah, everybody has to do it. So please don't come. Oh, you're touching everything. But there's 12 packs in this. All right, ready, Kyle? I used to love these. She turned around the corner. Ooh, I used to love these when I was younger. Well, when I was in my teens, Auntie Debbie used to buy this for me all the time. Well, not this specific one, but these treats. The poor Kyle done gone left me. Them don't have no respect for me. None. This is the snack aisle, but I don't really snack, you know? And I can't snack. Like, let's say I was supposed to buy one of these. It done. One sitting. And it's embarrassing. Twinkies. I haven't eaten Twinkies since middle school. But biscuit, like them big bag of biscuit that we passed earlier, done in one sitting, like it's a shame. One sitting, man. It's embarrassing still, but you know. Anyways. Woo! Let me turn slower for the person who asked me to turn slower. But I'll be right back. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end off the vlog here.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna just see how much everything comes to and show you all that, and then I'm gonna end it off because I feel like I've had a long day and I'm tired.
It's gonna be expensive.
Yeah, there's quite a who. You picked up the rum, didn't you? Talking about I got bills to pay. You picked up the rum? What? There's some Ray and his nephew. Some orange juice. Crackers for the steamed fish. Lasco. I'm giving out all of Olivia's grocery shopping details. This is the secret to the amazing body of Olivia. There you go. There you go. Some Pepsi, water. More water. Ooh. Some tortilla. Even though y'all should be getting wheat tortilla, I'm just saying, try it. Cheerios. Orange juice. Barbecue sauce, peanut butter, rice, peanuts. Ooh, some cheese, air mattress, mayonnaise. Mega blurred out. Some. I love these. If you guys know how much I love these, I love these. I'm a child. And what is? Some yogurt. Yeah, some probiotic, you know, for that feminine health. Yeah, and I think that's it.
Her health.
Yeah, feminine, because you know, for the vaginal health, let's say that then. Every day. And you can get cranberry juice for vaginal health as well, guys. No. What? Pineapples actually is not that beneficial to vaginal health. Cranberry, like...
It helps in other ways, I'm sure.
Cranberry.
I'm sure you're gonna find it.
Cranberry and yogurt, but preferably plain or natural yogurt is much better. That's my little tip. I'll be back when we start ringing all these items up, and then I'll show y'all the price. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. This is gonna be the thumbnail. No, our car must far.
Almost 30.
Oh. Yeah, that's, yeah. Whoa, I hope she come back before that one because I will eat that.
And the Pepsi and the water.
And the water. So 29. How much? How much? 32,515. You're perfect, Olivia. You got the right amount.
But I'll serve everybody for 3 years.
$32,515. Guys, alright. I'm officially, ashy, ending off the vlog. For this much stuff, all the cases of water, the cases of Pepsi. Yeah. Isn't it funny because we came in at the same time? Let me give you a little space here. Because if that start, me I do a boom flick over there, so you not catch me. How about that? Alright guys, this is officially the end of the vlog. I'm letting you all know to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with all your friends. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And yeah, good night.